second grade. Today we are doing lesson 19. The other day we looked at objects and put them into pairs or partners to determine if they were even numbers. And then we also did some skip counting to relate to even numbers. Our lesson today focuses on investigating the pattern, looking at patterns to determine if they're even numbers, such as 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 in the ones place of a number, and will we relate them to odd numbers? How can we determine if something is odd or not? So I wrote out our numbers 0 through 20, and we'll be looking at these to see, are they even, are they odd? So I'll start by drawing an array on my board here. Pretend like I have some square tiles, okay? So my first question is, how many rows are there? Remember, rows go left and right. So 1 row, 2 row. There's 2 rows. How many tiles are in each row? 1 and 1, right? 1 tile here, 1 tile here. So the doubles equation for this picture is 1 plus 1 equals 2. So looking at this picture, and my knowing my information about double numbers that I'm adding, is 2 even or odd? It's even. So we'll keep track on my number line to determine which numbers are even and which numbers are odd, and if there's a pattern that we can determine. So 2 is an even number. Let's add to my picture. How many rows? 1, 2. I still have 2 rows. How many tiles in each row? 1, 2, 1, 2. So the double equation is 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? 2 plus 2. Let's keep going. So let's circle 4. And if you want to keep doing this up until you get to 20, go for it. So write down 0 through 20 on your paper and see if you can draw out the array that matches this. So I'm going to add another 2 rows onto my picture. And I'll write my doubles equation. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 in each row. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, let's do another one. Now I'm going to have how many in each row? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 plus 4 equals 8. Are you noticing a pattern as I'm circling my even numbers? Yeah, it's every other one, right? What do we know about even numbers? Well, you can be thinking that they have a partner. And when you skip count by 2s, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. Wonder what happens when we get over to that side if there's a 0 in the ones place. Let's find out. So now I have still 2 rows, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So my repeated addition, or the doubles equation, is 5 plus 5 equals 10. This is my ones place right here. Is 10 an even number? Well, if we look back at our picture, each tile has a partner or a pair, so that means that it is an even number. Okay, so if it ends in a 0, it's an even number. If it ends in a 2, which is going to be our next number, 12, that should be even. Let's check. Okay, so now I have still 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each row, right? Because they're partnered up. So it's 6 plus 6 equals 12. Here's my ones place. Is it even or odd? It's even, so let's circle it. Okay, let's keep going. Add 2 more rows. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7 equals 14. Now you know why we kept quizzing you on adding, right? So that you can know those doubles facts pretty quick. Okay, that addition is really important. Let's keep going. Uh-oh, I'm running out of room. Okay, 2 rows again. 2 rows of how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my repeated addition sentence is, or the doubles equation is, 8 plus 8 equals 16. I'm going to go on this side since I ran out of room over here. So again, still 2 rows. Oh, my square is kind of crooked. All right, so let's think for a sec. I have 2 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, I forgot to circle this one. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. If you're not sure, you could count all of the squares, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'll still get the same answer. Or you could skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. You could skip count. Okay? All right, let's circle it. That's my ones place. So 8 is an even number. Looking at my chart here. Okay. And we'll go 1 more up to 20. Let's see. Okay. All right. So let's see. I have 2 rows. And how many in each row? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my doubles equation, or the repeated addition sentence, 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay, let's circle it. So if we look, looking at this pattern, the ones place, okay, they have zeros there. So does that mean zero's even? Yeah, it is. Zero's even number. So 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, if it's in the ones place, they're always going to be even, because if we look at our array, we know that it has a partner or somebody to buddy up with. Okay? Now, what do you notice about the ones that are not circled? So these numbers here that are not circled. What kind of numbers are those? If they're not even, what numbers are they? Kind of numbers. Odd numbers, right? So let's say now if I took away one tile. If I took away one tile, what's my sentence that goes with this picture? Well, we could think 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which gives us what number? 19. Well, here's my ones place. If I'm looking at this picture, is this even? Are they even groups? Are they the same amount in each row? No. And you can tell by looking at this picture, he's just hanging out there by himself. So he is not an even number. It's an odd number. So I'm going to underline number 19. Maybe I'll box it so it stands out. Put a box around it. Okay. All right, let's try another number. What do you think? What if I go ahead and keep taking away boxes? So now, what's this number? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What does that equal? 17. Oops. Can we tell, again, by looking at my array picture, if this is even or odd? Is 17, looking at my ones place, is it 17 even or odd? Odd. Again, look at the picture. You have 8 plus 9 equals 17, which is odd. All right. I'll pull a box around that guy. So far, we have every other number now being an odd number. Just like before, every other number was even. Okay. Let's keep going. We'll keep looking. So let's see. If I take away that guy, if that equals the same thing I was looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 7 equals 14. Or sorry, 15. Is 15 even or odd? Yes. Okay. So can we determine if it's even or odd looking at this pattern? Yeah, we can. So 13 is odd, 11 is odd, 9 is odd. Go ahead and finish doing that on yours and I'll work on mine. 7 is odd. 5 is odd. 3 is odd. And 1 is odd. Okay? So, let's see if you can figure out a pattern. Now that we know our rules, that if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that it's even, let's see if you can try this pattern, okay? So say I have this number, so 18, 20, and I'm going to leave that blank. Let's do 2 in a row. Let's see if you can do 2. I'll challenge you. Okay, so let's think for a second. 8, 0, blank, blank, 6, 0. Oh, I messed up. That should be 28. Okay, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. What would come after that? 30, yeah. You can tell the pattern 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's try another one. Let's jump up to 40. We'll start at 40 this time. Okay, let's see if you can do this one. Starting at 40. So 40, and then you can whisper the next one if you don't know. 41, 42. You can pretend like this is a whisper. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Remember, keep that pattern. 0, 2, 4. What's my next one in the ones place? 6. 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Okay? So use this rule. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 to determine if it is even. Okay?